Recording
What?
started.
Yeah, started.
Okay, so please introduce about yourself.
My name is Sita Sahu. I am from Bhilai, Chhattisgarh. If I talk about my qualification, I have done my post graduation from Raipur University, as well as I completed my computer class and other classes. If I talk about my hobbies are listen to music, reading, cooking, and nowadays I'm learning English. That's all about from my side.
Okay, that's great. That's yes. So your wonderful introduction, your short introduction. So first of all, thank you giving me time, your valuable time. So your golden opportunity giving me. So let's go. I will start introduction about myself. I am Irfan. I am from Pakistan province, Balochistan district, Nasirabad. Talk about my qualification. I have done 10th class. Currently, my education is going on. Talk about my profession. I do work at grocery shop together my elder brother. Talk about my learning journey. So I am learning this language from YouTube, and I didn't take admission to learn this language in academy. So I didn't admission in academy. So talk about my learning journey. So I have been 1 month completed, and second month is about to complete now. So that's all about me. So any question you have in your mind, you can ask me.
Okay, wow, lovely introduction. And sir, I have a question. And how long have you been using this Skype app?
Okay, so why not? I will tell you basically. So first of all, I asked about this applications. One teacher who names Karshma Chan. You know Karshma Chan?
I know little bit.
Yes. Okay. So she is famous on YouTube. So she is YouTuber. So I asked about these applications from Karshma Chan, so I said Karshma Chan on the comment box. So, ma'am, which application you are using this application to use to practice to record video? So she said me, I am using Skype. So after that, I installed that application. So I have been 6 months. I installed this applications. That day, I was unable to speak English. One day I connected Karshma Chan, but that time I unable to speak English. This reasons I didn't talk with Karshma Chan. So after that I left this applications to use. So after that I started speaking, watching movies like this, recording movies. I watched 3 months completely. After that I started joining this application link on the from YouTube's channels. Many people this application link mention on description. So I started joining this application link. So slowly people started talking with me. So and I started talking with them. So I have been completed 2 months. You can say 2 months, almost 2 months completed.
Okay,
Right. So
wow.
like
Okay. So are you YouTuber?
yes, of course. So I have been completed 2 months. I have created YouTube channel. So now I am running YouTube channels. I upload conversation videos.
Okay. So how many subscribers do you have right now?
So now in my YouTube channel, less subscriber 20.
20.
No,
Okay.
no, no. I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. 40.
40. Okay, wow,
Yes.
not bad. And
Yes.
how many conversation do you take in a day?
So sometimes I take two session, one session, two session, but sometimes I don't take any conversation. So
Huh?
sometimes because I am doing work at grocery shop and some problems networks. Networks these days don't working in our cities.
Okay.
Okay. So ask
Oh,
any other question.
mm, you can ask me if you have any question. Then you can ask me.
Okay, so I think you are sitting in company now. In your background, some pictures I am showing, and
Yeah,
I
you can.
am. Right.
Yeah, you
So,
can thank me.
okay. So, how long you have been time? So, you are working in this company?
I have been working, I can say 7 years.
7 years. So, this is private company.
Yeah, this is a private company.
Okay. So, I forgot which city are you living?
Bhilai, Chhattisgarh, India. In
Chandigarh.
India. In
Yes, yes,
India,
India.
Bhilai, Chhattisgarh.
Right,
Bhilai,
right. I know you from India, but I forgot your city names. You from Indian cities, Chandigarh,
Bhilai, Chhattisgarh, Chhattisgarh. CG,
Chhat-
CG, Chhattisgarh.
Chhattisgarh.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay, okay.
You
So
can learn
how
on
weather?
YouTube.
Okay, so how weather now here?
Weather is right now. Weather is little bit cloudy.
Okay, so now you can say now weather is very well.
No, no, no. What happened? Morning time weather is very hot, and now evening time. Right now, weather is a little bit cloudy.
Okay, okay. So like this in our country, in our city, I have been. You can say few day have been weather is now a little bit well, little bit. Earlier weather is very very hot. So couldn't talk outside. So when I was sitting outside to talk anyone, so you watch my videos. So on that videos I mentions to hot weather. So at that times I couldn't sit to conversations in my mobile screens. That times one message was coming to high temperature. So
High
now weather
temperature.
is very well now little bit, and I am sitting outside. You see my background. This is shop shutter.
Oh, shutter. Your shop
Uh,
shutter is down. Okay.
yes.
So, at what time you go to your shop?
So I come in shop 9 o'clock in
Night,
PM 9 o'clock morning time.
morning time. And at
Yes.
what you at what time you come back from your shop?
So I will go home 11 o'clock night time.
11 o'clock.
Yes,
My God, it's a
right.
long
11
time.
o'clock, ten
You
o'clock.
are
Yes, this different time.
different time. Okay, I
Right.
can understand.
So I am learning this language. So which time I free? So that time I practice and now I got a few minutes to talk to you. So now I am talking to you on the video call.
Okay, okay. And
And
what do you do in your free time?
so inshallah I will become good. So now I didn't thought about future. So now I am learning. So now I am thinking what will I become in future. So now my education is running on. So I didn't thought I to become in future what I will become.
So do you like watch TV?
Oh, no, I don't like watch TV. So I watch mobiles and I watch movie on the mobiles. English movies, dubbed movies. These days I started watching dubbed movies, that Indian movies, that Hindi levels and
Hindi or English?
yes, yes. So I am visible,
Yeah, oh, yeah, yeah. You are visible.
but you are not visible.
I'm not visible.
No.
No, I'm visible.
Okay, so right. So in my mobile screen, one message came. This reasons our photo scratch disclosed. Right. So I watch movies, dubbed movies. right?
Which movie?
Adopted, converted in English, Hindi to English,
Oh, okay, okay. Very good, very good.
right? So that English I can understand easily,
Okay, okay.
and I take that words, difficult words. That means I don't know that idioms, phrase. That people's very perfect idioms use phrase, and you can understand that English.
Okay. And do you like English cartoon?
No, I didn't watch English cartoon.
English cartoon is very easy for beginners.
Right,
I
right.
watch
Beginning.
I watch English cartoon. Sometime English cartoon, sometime podcast.
Right. So I watch in other movies, funny movie, comedy movies. So in that people from India,
Yeah.
Karishma, that I forgot names. Kapil Sharma, Kapil Sharma show. I watch that.
Yeah.
Yes, that is
Kapil
funny
Sharma.
movies.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
I
His
watch
show
that.
is very famous, and his show is very
Yes,
you can say his show is very laughing show.
right, right. He is
I also,
laughing man. Yes, yes.
yeah,
He is
I also,
laughing man. So I watch that movies. That time I feel boring, so I started watching that movie. So after that I feel good.
okay. But right now in this day I don't like watch TV because I have to improve my English. I want to learn anyhow English. That's why I don't watch TV these days.
Yes, sir. Uh,
Yeah.
right. So I am also doing that. I watch movies on this my mobiles from YouTube's, Facebook's. So you use TikTok, Instagram, and other
Yeah,
topics.
I have a FB page, I have an Insta ID, and I don't have YouTube channel. But I want to create my YouTube channel.
Okay, so you don't upload videos.
No, no, I don't have YouTube channel. But in future, I want to create my YouTube channel. This is my thinking.
Okay, okay, okay. So
Yeah.
1 minute, 1 minute. One people's called me.
Okay, okay, you
Don't
can
close.
take.
Okay, okay. Don't close.